Alright guys, so here's where I'm at right now. Got an oh my gosh, I was gonna say SLC. LCD here. It's gonna be my 4 function buttons. Reset, silence, drill, and acknowledge or something, I don't know. And that's my keypad and my 4 LEDs. Power, alarm, silenced, and trouble. So let's power it up here. Yep, desk is a mess. Alright. So you see, yeah, it's gotta do its initialization process. That's what it says. I programmed it to say. Nothing comes undone when I open it. It's kind of messy in here. I gotta clean it up a little bit, but this is what I got so far. This is the LCD, power LED, and yeah, goes into there. There, these are gonna be the necks. Not sure if I'm doing 4, but so far there's 2. This is my synchronized neck, which is wheel lock, and then this is my temporal 3 neck. These will be connected soon. These are the wires for it, but for now I just wanted to power this one up. And yeah, that's that so far. Alright. Yeah. I'll hit you guys with some more updates soon. But yeah, this is what I got so far. See ya.